Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have a smooth slow motion video edit on CapCut PC. So if you want to make your video into a smooth slow-mo or a slow-mo video, here's what you need to do. So first, just add the video to CapCut PC. I'm going to just trim the video first. And then go to speed at the top right corner, and here just lower the speed or the times, just swipe it to the left like this, then click on this smooth slow-mo option to turn on. Just click on this and just choose the optical flow for a better quality. Okay, after this you just need to wait until the smooth slow-mo applied. Okay, so it has been applied, and after that you can just preview the result. You can see the slow-mo is smooth. It's just my CapCut lagging. Okay, I'm going to just play it one more time for you. Okay, so that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and